Democracy is one of the greatest social experiments of man in the last 200 years. Democracy has transformed people across the world, from electing presidents and prime ministers to electing panchayat members. Democracy has come a long way. At Grace, it has been our endeavor to empower the students through democratic processes. One of the things what we do is to have elections, and elections from the perspective of electing the best people to lead the students. So during the time of Corona, it's been very difficult to have a physical election. So what we have done is we have conducted an online election, having all the requirements of a democratic election. The response we got from the students was tremendous. There has been more than one candidate for most of the positions. It just shows the interest they have shown in participating in these elections. From the institutional perspective, what we have done is, although it is an online mode, we have arranged a Meet the Candidates program where the students put up their manifesto, and students who are going to be electing them getting to hear the manifestos and their speech with regard to what they propose to do. So elections happened, and it's my pleasant duty to announce the winners as well as the people who contested for the elections. We had totally 11 posts, and the most important position was the chairman of Grace Association, and we had 3 contests for that, and they are 1 Ashwin Biju John, 2 Priya Philip, and 3 Geoffrey Wilson. This position is reserved for the second years. Then we have the vice chairman, and this position is reserved for the first years, and we had Hemant contesting for that. The third position is General Secretary. This is again reserved for the second years, and we had Milan P. Matthews and Swati from second years contesting for that. Then we had the Joint Secretary. This was only for first years, and we had Murugesh contesting for that. Along with that, we had a first year representative, and we had Bhagat Raj contesting for it. You had a second year representative, and you had 2 people, Shersh Bensi as well as Ashwin Suresh VK contesting for it. The University Union Councillor is a position, very important position, in which the college is represented. And for that, we had Siju A of the second year contesting for it. We had a women representative open for both first year as well as second years. And we had Amu Anil from second year, and we have Vaishnavi from first year contesting for it. We had a sports club secretary open for both first years as well as second years, and we had 3 contestants. One was Merlin John of second year, we had Akil Matthew of second year, and then Alamin of first year. We have an arts club secretary, again open for both first years and second years, and we had Naufia Nasir and Swati Krishna contesting for it. Finally, we bring out a newsletter, and for that particular position, the editor of that particular newsletter, we had 2 people, Senobi Thomas as well as Alan Shajan contesting for it.
Good day to you. I am Paul Joseph Lawrence, Faculty of Grace International Academy. Being in charge of election of 2020-2021, as per the nomination list of 11 positions with 20 worthy candidates, we wish to announce the results of election 2020-2021. First year representative Bhagat Raj, second year representative Ashwin Suresh VK, Arts Club Secretary Naufia Nasir, Sports Club Secretary Alamin B, Women's Representative Ammu Anil, Editor of College Magazine Senobi Thomas, University Union Councillor Siju A, Joint Secretary Murugesh RS, General Secretary Milan P. Matthews, Vice Chairman Hemant M, and finally Chairman of Grace International Academy Ashwin Biju John. Congratulations to all elective members of Grace International Academy. Hope we will meet you soon. Thank you.
As a faculty member of Grace International Academy, I would like to congratulate all the elected representatives of Grace Union 2020-2021. And I hope your 100% commitment and involvement in all the academic and non-academic programs and events that we are going to conduct in next year. Thank you and congratulate everyone.